What's up guys, Show Off 3x4 here, bringing you another video today. We've got something a little different. The title might confuse you. So my brother actually picked up a 2014 Ram 1500. It's a Hemi and it's an 8-speed. This is his first vehicle he's got by himself and he's pretty excited about it. And he said after kind of seeing how mine was, he really liked the Rams. And this is the one he picked up with it, this is the one he picked up. Like I said, Hemi, 8-speed. 2014, it's only got 70,000 miles on it. He's already got a bunch of plans with it. He's already got a bunch of parts ordered and at the house already. But the first thing to always do is the exhaust, and this is what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna get you kind of a stock startup. Stock startups aren't anything special, but give it a little. No sound at all. Well, we're gonna take care of that today. Go ahead and bring her in. So Ben ended up going with the Flowmaster, what is it, American Thunder?
Yeah.
Flowmaster American Thunder, 409 stainless. This 2.5 inch. Ben? Oh yeah, it's the good clamps. Thank goodness.
I want to see the tips. Ooh, I like those.
Rolled? Yeah, these are rolled.
I like these. These aren't bad.
Look, yeah.
These look a lot shorter than your tips. Like,
they are. Let's see how much.
We can make these even shinier.
See what the muffler looks like.
Yeah.
So like I said, this is the American Thunder one.
There we go. Chambered muffler is all Flowmasters are. That's kind of like Flowmaster's claim to fame.
Yeah.
Chambered.
They have a sound to them. You know when it's a Flowmaster.
Like really...
Let me go under there.
Easy there.
Stepped on. Oh, that nut looks crusty.
We got shit to cut it, but position vehicle on hoist, so we're not doing that.
Nope. Hey Ben, no going back. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Good.
What? Is that oil?
Oh, it's probably WD-40.
Not cracker.
Or not WD-40. I mean, yeah. Okay.
I just leave that out there. Give us more room here.
There's your old junk.
That's exactly.
Yeah.
We gotta stay out with the old junk.
All the old junk.
Piss that one guy off. Yes.
Okay, so we got the stock stuff off. All you had to do is cut both outlets of the muffler. So here's the muffler outlets are cut off. Now all we gotta do, now we just gotta cut this clamp off right there, because it's a little rusted on. And then all we gotta do is throw the install the new stuff back on.
A little is a little bit of an understatement. This is a headphone warmer video.
Okay, you might be good. I can just probably hit it.
Is it coming off the hangers then? Oh yeah. Okay.
Are the rubber things come off too?
It don't matter. It doesn't matter either way, really.
We'll get them off.
Yeah.
There she goes. Big old giant piece of junk. Alright, now I'm gonna go to the back of the truck and I'll start handing you pieces.
Doesn't matter where it comes on.
So, yep, goes on like that. Put a clamp on it. And then keep that other clamp just dangling there. Because when we put the muffler on in here, then this one will go on like that, you know. So let me go grab you the muffler. Okay, now here's this. Yes. Just get it so that it's not moving on you.
Yeah, don't tighten it up all the way yet.
Yeah, it's good for now. I'll hit this one. Make sure it's on there, yep.
a really great shot of the back of Ben's head. Okay, I can almost get on this hanger here. You gotta hold on. Before you do that, I gotta slide it onto this hanger.
Oh, okay.
Or we won't get it on. Okay.
Good?
Yep. Is yours on your hanger already? Because sometimes, yeah, you'll really get it on there. Okay. Yeah, try to get as far as. Yeah, okay.
Alright, you need the small pieces now?
Hey, Zach, there's a hanger. What?
You may as well move back. You can throw this one on.
Yeah. Is that something?
Well, tighten it down.
We gotta wait till we get the
Tips on.
Tips on.
Yeah. So once you get them snug, I'll go grab the tips.
Tighten up there.
Got a twitch.
That looks like a pretty good height almost.
Alright, Ben.
I'll have to twist this pipe to get to set where it's...
Hold on, let me go over there. Put it on. There you go.
Right now, Ben, you want to go up and tighten the rest of that one. It's be like right there. Whoop.
Yeah, I mean, it's up to you, but
Try to get it close, it's like tucked up in the bumper tight. How's that look there? I think that looks pretty good. That thing, like right.
Gosh,
You like the way that looks, Ben? Like stand up and look at it. You can get a better look at it. Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah, like that. Okay. So is this one probably the same? Looks like it. Ish. I think that's.
Let me look back. Hold on.
You really
Make sure they're good from here too. Yeah, they look pretty even here.
I think they look pretty even.
All right, we're gonna do some tightening up, and then we'll get a sound clip. All right, so far we've gone underneath, checked everything. They're tight. Took us a minute to get the tips good, but got them right where he wants them. Ben, let her rip, Chip. It was very cold. What the frick?
That's a piece of foam. Dude, look, it's not even coming out. Very understated. It's gonna be a nice bumble.
Here, let me see that.
Give her a quick grab.
Yeah. Take that. Just don't hold the top.
It's kind of understated right now, but it's got a nice bumble. It sounds a lot like your
RPM, it gets louder.
It sounds like your truck with no mufflers, but like toned more. You know what I mean? I want to hear it under load.
Yeah.
Load makes a big difference.
Yeah, it sure does.
It's like, it makes it like twice. Yeah, look how close it is to the top when he backs out.
Oh, yeah, you might get it.
We can do it, I think.
Yeah.
Bring your 17s just in case. You're good there. Yeah, bring your 17s just in case.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing does move.
Yeah. That's 70 already. Definitely hear the Hemi sound.
Like, get it. You know
I
what
don't think he's gonna.
We slow it down. I'm kind of happy, like I was telling him, I'm happy that it's like, it's like, you know, not as
I was
loud.
gonna say, are you
We're
happy
just
with it,
cruising.
or?
Yeah, I love it. It's mellow. Yeah, when you're cruising, it's nice. The flyby sounds freaking sweet.
Yeah, it does. Lift, wheels, and tires are next, eh?
Yep. You can turn right here.
Frick yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this video was helpful for you. So yeah, Ben just picked up that red 2014 8-speed Hemi that he has some plans for, and he's really excited about, and I'm excited for him. That I'm gonna include the build process on that Ram, just give myself a little, to give the channel a little more content, because it's kind of been dull right now, and that's totally my fault. But we're getting married, like we already got married, but we're doing our ceremony this year. We're saying screw it, no matter what COVID stuff happens, we're doing it. And so that's in 2 months, so we're getting stuff ready for that. And Jay had knee surgery, so I've been helping her out around the house, and things just kind of haven't been going, but believe me, everything's still in the plan and the process. I'm actually going to be picking something up for this truck this weekend. That was impulse. I'll give you guys kind of an idea. I wanted to fix my rust on this, and I'm actually going to buy something for it, kind of just out of the blue, that I'm like, you know what, this will just take care of it. So I might record that, I might not, but I'll let you guys know about it, obviously. And then we're doing Ryan's cam in 3 weeks, and then after that, track season starts. So I'm gonna throw the converter in this, we'll hit the track with Rex, all that kind of stuff. Ben's got some more stuff for his, like I said in the end of this video, wheels and tires, a lift. So I'll be doing that, kind of get you both sides, something I never did. I'm not a guy that's big into lifts and stuff like that. I'd rather go fast, so I'll give you the other side of the spectrum with a Ram, with lifts and tires and wheels and stuff like that. But oh, and I did want to mention, I didn't record it. I didn't record much on it because it was kind of boring, but I did get this thing on the road and running. So we put plugs in it. I'll actually show you the plugs here in a second. But put plugs on it, put insurance on it, got the title finally, and I've been dailying it around. It's been going pretty well so far. I parked this in the garage, keep some miles off of it. Let me show you the plugs to this van real quick. This is as far as I can zoom in, but for those of you guys that know what plugs look like, that's pretty bad. So the van's got 328,000 miles on it. I don't think these are original, but they sure as heck aren't new, let me tell you. So the van is definitely running better with those done. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.